In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather images using Genspark AI Mobile. To get started, open the Genspark AI Mobile app on your phone. Once the app loads, head to the home dashboard. This is where you'll find the main input area used for searching, chatting, and generating results. Next, tap the AI chat or Spark bar. This is the space where you can enter your request. When you're gathering images, it helps to be specific with your wording so Genspark understands exactly what kind of visuals you want. Type your visual query and make sure to include a request for image sources as part of that prompt. This is important because it helps the app return not just images or visual results, but also the places those images came from, which can be useful if you want to verify them, explore further, or download from the source. After entering your query, click Submit to start gathering. At this point, Genspark will begin processing your request and pulling together relevant visual information. Depending on your connection and the complexity of the search, this may take a moment, so give it a second to generate the results. Once the response appears, review the generated Spark page or chat response carefully. Genspark typically organizes its findings into visual, easy-to-scan layouts, which makes it simpler to browse multiple images and related content without feeling overwhelmed. You may also see embedded source links alongside the results, which can help you trace where the visuals came from. In some cases, downloadable graphics may be included as well, making it easier to save the content you need. As you review the results, take a moment to scan both the images and their sources so you can quickly decide which ones are most useful for your project. And that's how to gather images using Genspark AI Mobile.